Well, greetings, my ladies and my gents. Doing this a little bit different today. I have finished the 68 Coronet convertible. Oh my god, I'm pleased with myself. But I want to show you these first. You can see the car. You see what, now, the kids, I mean, look at this little guy. He's got a car like Daddy's. He even has a wing on it. Got a racing stripe on it. I mean, golly, how absolutely cute is this? Uh, I'm not sure what the brand actually was. This is um, what I got. And then we got, same people, the tricycle. Look how cute that is. It is a bit of a pain in the butt to put together, but oh my goodness. And they fit real nice in the trailer. Just like, whoops, I dropped it. I dropped it. Just like, don't drop him. He's real fragile. They fit in. The trailer sits real nice. The car, the kid's seat. Oh my. I mean, I'm pleased with this. Well, just one little quick. I'll have a link to these down in the description. I found one of the cover things. Um, got it from hyroboy.com out of England. Uh, it's a company called ZoomOn. Excuse me. And I'll have this link in the description as well, zoomonmodel.com. Um, I don't know if they've got their own store or what, but these are where I got the little buggy. Let's see, little buggy and the tricycle and the car seat. That's where I got them at. I'm still not 100% sure where I got the wheels. And so I'm not going to say anything about that, but I'm going to have to do some hunting to find out. But all in all, the hood I found does touch a little bit of the intake pipe for the twin turbo. And so it doesn't set quite right when I finally got everything done. I thought I had it low enough, but when finally get everything in, it wasn't quite right. But you can see the thrush muffler underneath there. That's what I was really hoping for. And the torsion bars are VCG resin. Of course, the engine, transmission, the twin turbo, uh, small block Mopar. This little bit of the pipe right in here hits right along in here. And I really didn't want to cut everything up and do everything after I got it all together. So I'm leaving it. Um, but it doesn't quite 100% set straight on here. But it's basically a shelf piece. But that color is it's a Tamiya X34 metallic brown gloss acrylic. And the various bits and googles on here are hand painted with Molotow chrome. So yeah, it came out nice. Of course, I had to hand paint the uh, the badging on it because the decal is wholly different shape. So, but yeah, I'm calling it done. I'm done with it. I'm pleased, especially with the back end. That really came out pretty. Whoops, lost the hood. And even got the little yellow things down on the bottom there. But oh my, I don't know what to say. I'm a little I'm a little taken aback at just how pretty that actually came out looking. And you know how you do something and you're just a little bit let down when everything is said and done, and now, okay, now it's done. Now what type of feeling? So, but I am pleased with that. And I'm going to call it done. I'm not going to do anything else to it other than put it up somewhere to show it off. So, anyway, uh, be sure, like I said, go check out this and see what, see these guys here just for the fun of it. Like I said, I have links to them. bcgresins.com. Be sure and go check them out. Be sure and sign up for the newsletter. It's Friday afternoon, and I got a feeling that Josh is going to have some stuff coming out this weekend, or if not, a newsletter coming out this weekend to let us kind of know what's going on. I think, I don't know for sure. He hasn't told me. This is me guessing. But go over there. Be sure and sign up for the newsletter so that when he does put out the new stuff, you'll get notified for it. Go shopping. You got all kinds of stuff on there. He's got some new small block Chevy stuff on there, this kind of thing. And but when you get done checking everything out, shopping, buying stuff, having some fun, and you got decide you found the perfect engine, transmission setup. Maybe it's one of the Flathead Ford from the Flathead Ford Speed Shop over on the Ford engine kit page. Uh, Go when you check out, use promo code Jester10, save you 10% on that wonderful engine and them fun little wheels or whatever you decide you want to do. And does not include shipping. Shipping is $6. It's not bad considering the way he packs it. It's really pretty darn good. So do that, and then wait for your stuff to arrive from the post office. Anyway, yeah, I'm starting to get kind of silly now. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out before I start saying something really stupid. So anyway, BTEX signing out.